This apple dump cake was not planned, but apples keep showing up at my house like they pay rent. Between my husband, my daughters, and my nephew, we somehow ended up with more apples than we can eat. Everybody had opinions. Nobody volunteered to cook. So I did what any tired mom would do. I grabbed some apples, washed them, missed one, rewashed them, and then peeled them like my piece depended on it. I started with butter because butter makes everything better. Added the apples and let them soften until they started doing what apples do best, turning into syrup. I added brown sugar, cinnamon, measure with your heart, that's your business, and mixed it until it started looking dangerous in the best way. This is one of those desserts that's worth the effort. Not every day, but definitely on the right day. So let's bake. When you're a busy mom, you don't overthink it. You pick one thing and make it work. And today, that meant a from scratch apple dump cake. Funny how everyone suddenly got very interested once they realized it was dessert. A little water, a little cornstarch because nobody wants lumpy apples, not me. Stir it, trust the process, and let it thicken. While that's happening, flour, sugar, brown sugar, apple pie, spice, milk, vanilla, whisk it together and don't stress. Melted butter goes in the pan first, then the apple filling, which honestly I could eat just like this, and then pour the batter on top. And this part is important. Do not mix it, walk away, let it do what it's supposed to do. So I stepped away for a minute and came back to this. I guess that's my review. We added some whipped cream, a little caramel, and yes, we're still eating it.